This week's Hotter Road mixtapes are Three Friends by Don Kingston, Journey by Don Kingston, Paul Elliott, Gone Again by DjKenny, Set Goals by DjKenny. This week's new releases are Renegade, Freedom Street, Sizzler, Bad as Ever, J Prince and Pablo YG, Gold Remix, Tentic and Rapid, High Class, Conclusion Rhythm featuring. This week's primetime showcase is Do Me by Althea Hewitt.
Here we are in this big old empty room, staring each other down. You want me just as much as I want you. Let's stop fooling around. Take me, baby, kiss me all over. Honey, play with my love. Whoa, bring out what's been in me for far too long. Baby, you know that's all I've been dreaming of. Do me, baby.
That was this week's episode of Entertainment Up to Date. I'm your girl Purple, and you can follow me on Instagram at premium_purple. See you next time.